What is healthy criticism? You might be familiar to this word healthy criticism, but do you know what it really is? Do you know what does it actually means? Let me tell you. Healthy criticism is something which lets you discover or explore yourself from different aspects or different angles. Suppose if you are planning to start a startup and by taking your idea you go to a funding company. The first question the funder will ask you will be that why do you want to start your startup? And here the healthy criticism gets started. When someone questions you about your goal or your dream and you don't have a perfect answer for their questions, then the first question which will arise in your mind will be that am I clear about my goal? The funder might not question you further, but your mind will start questioning you and you will get to know about your flaws and your strengths. That's what healthy criticism means. It lets you know your pros and cons. It enables you to know the points or the opinions of others, that what they think about your thoughts. And sometimes it can be helpful to us. Let me tell you how. But before every how, there is a why. So now it comes that why to have criticism. So the first point I got is that develops a holistic approach. When we repeatedly ask question for something, then we go to the root cause of it, that why are we doing it? And as we will go in the depth, we will go near the truth, which is the most important thing. Let me take an example here. Suppose you are walking on a street and suddenly you see a brand new BMW car. The first thought which will come in your mind will be that I should also have this car so that I can show it to others and can gain some respect in others' eyes. But further, when your observatory skills will try to work, then you will get to notice that a BMW car is just a mode of transport which a man uses to go from one place to another place. And to go from one place to another place, you can use a cab also. You don't need a BMW. Further, you will notice that you can't earn respect just by buying an expensive car. And if you do think so, then your whole life will be just driven by this wrong mentality. So here the healthy criticism concept works. So when we go to the depth of our thoughts and try to amplify them in our real world. And the second point is helps us to reform. When someone questions us or judges us by our skills or by our knowledge, then somewhere thoughts come in our mind that I have to improve myself, I have to reform me, I have to clear all my doubts. And when this feeling comes in our heart, then we try to improve ourselves in such a way that no one can ever question us or judge us. And this urge to improve ourselves can help us to make a better version of ourselves. And the third point is able to see the base. Eventually, all these things lead us to become someone who can easily see the base reality of something before doing anything. When we know all these criteria of why, then we can easily criticize ourselves by putting these thoughts in our mind. And now the main point comes, that how to develop criticism in yourself. So the first point is listen to feedbacks. Taking feedbacks from others is the best way to know more about our work, because they say that feedback is the breakfast of champions. Sometimes taking feedbacks from others enables us to know our mistakes, because the one who is giving you feedback is directly expecting you to reform your mistakes. So listen to others what they are speaking and then make your own way to conquer your thoughts. And my second point is knock other doors. What I meant by this term is that stick to your points but also try to see through different perspectives. Let me take an example here. Suppose if you are writing a book or a novel, but some people don't like your idea which you are trying to express through your book. So listen to them, try to see through their thinking, their perspective, thinking from different aspects throws some questions in our mind. And that's what my third point, be your critic. When numerous questions come in our mind and we don't get their answers, then we try to put ourselves in different circumstances. Asking question to ourselves seems to be very useful, because when we ask questions to ourselves, then somewhere we prepare ourselves to go through the further questions. And then if someone suddenly asks us a question about our dream or about our goal, then we already have their answers. That's the benefit of self-question asking ability. It not only enables you to criticize yourself in a good manner, but you can also see through broad perspective. And by this ability, you can show someone a good path. Thank you.